now evolving into a new fifth generation, how can ports derive benefit from the application of artificial intelligence and 5G? Huawei Transportation Solutions architect Tiago Pinto has some answers.
Hi, my name is Tiago Pinto and I belong to the Europe Transportation Competence Center, which belongs to the Huawei Transportation Business Unit. Today's conference is about digital transformation and how it is impacting different sectors such as the port industry. In this session, you will learn how new ICT technologies can help ports to shift into the new generation. First of all, let's see what are the common challenges that ports face today and what are the main trends in this domain. Ports are a country's gateway for import and export trade and serve an important role to efficiently feed the hinterland rail and the truck cargo infrastructure. As such, they are key for the country's economic development. In one hand, the port needs to improve its operational efficiency by focusing on the flow of ships, cargo, and trucks to become more competitive in its area by attracting more ships and routes and improve the supply of goods. This pressure in the logistics industry has become more evident during the last year with the exponential growth of the e-commerce due to the pandemic. On the other hand, the port is an important environment where we have multiple roles. It is then necessary to improve the cooperation among all parties, streamline the information flow, and improve both foreign and domestic trade logistics. So, ports are intermodal systems involving ships, trucks, and trains that will benefit greatly from automatization once data silos between the various stakeholders are taken down. The improvement in safety, efficiency, and experience is achieved through technology innovation. Huawei is cooperating with numerous ports to build a cloud and AI-based system to make the port operator as the single interface to different stakeholders, like cargo owners, shipping companies, warehousing companies, etc. This way, the port becomes the hub for the cargo operation and management process and can control the service quality to cargo owners in order to become more competitive. But where are we currently in this process? Digital transformation has become a mega trend worldwide, where more than 170 countries have already established strategies for digitalization, 5G, and AI. And the port industry is, of course, no exception. We have many examples of ports investing on new ICT technologies to improve their efficiency, optimize their processes, and allow new business models. However, this shouldn't be done as isolated procurement acts for individual technologies, but rather as part of well-defined strategic plans with established mid- and long-term objectives. This is the reason why we see countries and regions defining and promoting innovation and digitalization strategies to motivate all industry sectors and players to develop their own plans. Huawei works closely with its ecosystem, including customers and partners, and has been involved in some innovation and digitalization initiatives worldwide. So, what kind of tools can port managers and operators use to build their new generation port operations? A port is a complex environment with diverse stakeholders, different processes and operations. Ships coming in, the cargo unloading, the complexity to know where a container is at a specific time of the process, and the overview of the all operations can be quite challenging. Additionally to the large number of individual tasks in a port is the high interdependency between them, meaning that a single abnormal event has a ripple effect across the whole process and ultimately affects the reliability and efficiency of the port operation. In this picture, I try to summarize the main areas and some of the innovative solutions that Huawei has already available to support digital transformation, ranging from comprehensive security and process automation to the holistic management and port operations at the IOC, connected by the new generation of wireless technology. There's a variety of building blocks that help customers to pave their own path towards digitalization. The goal is that high-risk and difficult operations are handed over to intelligent equipment, which improves efficiency and reduces labor usage. The implementation of an end-to-end integration of core business, the visualization of the operation management, and the port process reorganization is the path to increase the service quality and to become more competitive. To give some examples, let's have a look at the 4 solutions highlighted in the picture. To implement equipment remote control or automatic vehicle operation, it is necessary to transmit multiple video feeds and to have a ultra-fast communication to ensure that control commands are delivered in timely manner. In the last 2 decades, there have been ports who gave their first steps to control cranes remotely and start automatizing the operations. However, the technologies available at that time didn't cope with the required features. Fixed communication networks weren't flexible to adapt to a mobile environment or to the existing infrastructure. Wi-Fi technology didn't have the latency required for a smooth, precise, and reliable crane operation. Only 5G can ensure the high bandwidth, low latency, wide coverage, and high mobility required for the port automation. Huawei has been working closely with ZPMC, the world's largest port equipment manufacturer and system integrator, to deploy several 5G-based remote control ports. In addition to crane remote control and AGV, other innovative applications including intelligent video surveillance, drone inspection, and remote AR assistance are being implemented to help improving the port operation efficiency. The gate of the container wharf is an important business link for container handover, document processing, and information recording between wharf and trailer. The intelligent gate solution combines advanced technologies such as OCR, CCTV, LED, and real-time control. The core command system controls the operation of each element based on the service process. When a truck arrives at the gate, it automatically identifies the vehicle license plate and the container identification number, and then, due to its real-time interaction with both terminal management system and the customs information platform, based on the operational requirements, it triggers all actions related to gate control of the container terminal. Huawei has deployed a similar solution in the Middle East, where the checkpoint release time was shortened from 3 to 5 minutes down to 10 to 20 seconds. But keeping track of container location and movement in the terminal is essential for a smooth and efficient port operation. Using CCTV together with OCR and AI, we can track the containers in real time from the moment they are unloaded from the ships till they exit the terminal by truck or train. Additionally to their positioning, it is also possible to monitor their condition and detect damage in a container, which allows to raise an alarm so that measures can be taken. This feature is increasingly important as we shift to automatic operation, where containers are moved by AGVs. In this case, the machine vision replaced the human eyes, with the ability of monitoring all cameras at the same time, all the time. One important piece of the puzzle is the Intelligent Operations Center, which is the core of the port operations. it combines the operation, monitoring and control, as well as the dispatching center. Moreover, the IOC is also an assistant to the decision-making of the port. Based on big data platform, where all things are sensed and connected, it contains all the port operation process and displays all the information in a panoramic view, containing dashboards and real-time videos. This way, it is possible to have an holistic view of the business of the individual processes and take assisted actions when necessary. Another crucial aspect is port security. It is a harsh environment with several tons of cargo being moved, with valuable goods being handled, which raises several risks: damages in equipment or cargo, accidents or injuries with workers, thefts, among others. This is the reason why it is important to have a security solution that goes beyond the traditional video surveillance system. Only with an accurate, intelligent, and linked system combining video, AI, and big data digital platforms connected by state-of-the-art communication networks, we can assure port security, early detecting abnormal situations, and triggering an important response to events. The IOC is like a big eye powered by a big brain to improve port operation and security. Let me share a successful case with Shanghai SIPG Port, who already shared their experience in today's session. They are the largest container port, ranking number 1 in the world for 11 consecutive years, and they run 7 terminals. Huawei is the main ICT supplier of Shanghai Port Group and has especially contributed to the full automation of Yangshan Port Terminal 4 thanks to LTE and 5G, which meets the latency required for full automation. The efficiency of Yangshan Port Terminal 4 has been increased by 30%, and the work staff in the terminal has been reduced by 85%. Nowadays, the Terminal 4 of Yangshan Port has no more staff people in the yards. Additionally, Huawei is also piloting with Shanghai Port Group for the full unmanned operation of the port at group level, involving 7 terminals with technologies such as networking, data center, cloud, and 5G. In Europe, an increasing number of ports are also adopting 5G and AI as part of their digital transformation course. At the port of Algeciras, Huawei was involved in a pilot project to modernize and optimize the management and security systems thanks to the usage of augmented reality and 5G, video streaming in real time, and advanced assistance, allowing a faster response time by the port agents. The Port of Barcelona also leveraged on Huawei's 5G and AI potential to implement a solution that will offer information on vessel location to implement the data provided by the identification systems currently used by the control tower. The Port of Barcelona will also share their experience in the digitalization journey in this session. In case you are interested in learning more about Huawei's innovative solutions, please check our website or don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to support you. Thank you for listening and stay tuned.
And with